What's up guys, my name is Lord and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tech tutorial video, I'm going to teach you guys how to remove any Google account from your smartphone. So without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. So if you have a couple of Google accounts on your smartphone that you want to remove, or your friend or anybody log in their Google account on your smartphone and you want to remove them, not to delete them, that's so kind of you actually. But yeah, you are at the right place. So before we get into this tutorial, I just want to make this clear. When you're removing your Google account, you're not actually deleting your Google account. You're actually removing the Google account from that smartphone. Deleting your Google account means deleting your Google account permanently. Like after 30 days, it is gone and nobody can make use of that Google account again. But removing your Google account, you can still use them. When you log in back the Google account, you can still make use of the Google account in your smartphone or in another smartphone. I hope you understood. Now let's start. First of all, open your Gmail application. After that, click on your profile icon on the right top of your device. Now click on manage accounts on this device. After that, click on the Gmail accounts or Google accounts you want to remove. Now click on remove accounts to remove the account. Actually, I'm not going to click on remove account because I don't want to remove my account. I don't want to remove my Google account. But when you click on remove account, you've actually removed the Google account from that particular device that Google account is being logged into. Now, so after doing all this stuff, you are done and the Google account is gone, but not gone forever. Actually, yeah, I'm kind of joking. Yeah, you just removed the Google account. So if you find the video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like the video and share the video so that YouTube algorithm will actually recommend this video to more viewers. And see you on my next one. Peace.